Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Additional Source Income. Today we're going to go over part 1 of 2 of Make Money Online using Google Search. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over how to choose profitable keywords for your online business, optimizing your website for better search engine visibility, and tips and tricks for maximizing your earnings with Google Search. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Make money online using Google Search. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to make money online? Look no further than Google Search. With over 3.5 billion daily searches, Google is not just a search engine, but a goldmine for potential earnings. In this video, we will explore the various ways you can leverage Google Search to generate income and achieve financial freedom. Understanding the concept of search engine optimization. The process of enhancing your website's visibility on search engine result pages is known as search engine optimization, or SEO. This involves comprehending the functioning of search engines and adjusting your website's content to align with users' search inquiries. By improving your website's ranking on Google, you can significantly increase its visibility, leading to a boost in organic traffic and potential revenue. To enhance the SEO of your website, begin by conducting research on keywords. This process entails identifying pertinent keywords that your target audience is likely to utilize when searching for products or services related to your business. Utilize tools such as Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to discover popular keywords that have a high search volume and low competition. Once you have determined your target keywords, strategically incorporate them in your content on your website. This includes optimizing page titles, meta descriptions, headers, and body text. However, it's crucial to maintain a natural flow in your content and avoid excessive use of keywords, as this can have a negative impact on your rankings. Furthermore, it's essential to ensure that your website is mobile friendly, as Google prioritizes mobile responsiveness in its search algorithms. A website that loads quickly, has easy navigation, and provides a positive user experience is also vital for SEO success. How to choose profitable keywords for your online business. Choosing profitable keywords is essential for driving targeted traffic to your website and boosting your online earnings. The key is to find keywords with a high search volume and low competition. Here's how you can do it. Start by brainstorming a list of relevant keywords related to your business. Put yourself in the shoes of your target audience and think about the words they would use when searching for products or services you offer. Use keyword research tools like Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs to get insights into the search volume and competition level of your chosen keywords. Look for keywords with a decent search volume and low competition. Long-tail keywords, which are search phrases that are longer and more specific, typically face less competition and can assist in targeting a narrower audience. It is worth considering the inclusion of long-tail keywords in your content strategy. Analyze your competitors' website and see what keywords they are targeting. This can give you ideas for keywords that include in your own content. Remember to regularly monitor and update your keyword strategy as search trends and user behavior change over time. Creating high-quality content that ranks well on Google. Content is king when it comes to ranking well on Google. High-quality, informative, and engaging content not only attracts visitors to your website, but also keeps them coming back for more. Here are some tips to create content that ranks well on Google. Understand your target audience and their pain points. Create content that addresses their needs and provides valuable solutions. Conduct thorough research on your chosen topic to ensure your content is accurate, up-to-date, and well-informed. Use credible sources and cite them when necessary. Structure your content in a way that is easy to read and understand. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break up the text and make it scannable. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally through your content. Use them in the title, headings, and body text, but avoid overusing them. Include multimedia elements such as images, videos, and infographics to make your content visually appealing and engaging. Regularly update and optimize your existing content to keep it fresh and relevant. Google favors websites that regularly publish high-quality content. Remember, quality always trumps quantity. It's better to have a few well-written and informative articles than numerous low-quality pieces. Optimize your website for better search engine visibility in addition to creating high-quality content. Optimizing your website itself is crucial for better search engine visibility. Here are some key areas to focus on. Ensure your website is fast loading and mobile friendly. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify and fix any speed or mobile responsiveness issues. Optimize your website's meta tags, including the title tag and meta description. These are the snippets that appear on search engine result pages and can greatly influence click-through rates. Use descriptive and keyword-rich URLs for your web pages. This helps search engines understand the content and improves your chances of ranking higher. Make sure your website is easily navigable with clear and intuitive menus and internal link structure. This helps search engines crawl and index your website more efficiently. Optimize your images by compressing them and adding descriptive alternative tags. This not only improves your website's loading speed, but also helps with image search rankings. Regularly monitor your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics. Analyze user behavior, bounce rates, and conversion rates to identify areas for improvement. By optimizing your website for better search engine visibility, you increase the chance of attracting organic traffic and maximizing your online earnings. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from Additional Source Income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlists, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.